Okay, fire up. What's up, Blaze? Um, I'm gonna post now the video I just told you to. That I was going to post. I think I tried stream. Yeah, yeah, baby. Okay, wait. I was just testing it was working. Okay, good. So with this stream later, I will post the video again of the whole trade, a whole recap. Wait, because I want to put you the trading view window. Nope. Okay. I'm using OBS, as you know, to make the trades. I'm gonna add what is happening. Yeah, only the one. Wait, I'm going to open. Don't mind me because I'm doing a lot of projects now. I'm building a website. I'm building a software as well. So if you see a lot of windows because of that. Okay, now. Wait. And of course today was no trade. It was Sunday. Well, of course weekend you don't trade. Simple. I mean, you need to be a smart person to know that the stock market is closed on the weekends. And Friday was a holiday. Was so the same. Okay, why doesn't it's not trading view here? No. Nope. No. Oh, where's trading view, man? Oh. Okay, I'm in. Yes, sir. Okay. Now you're gonna see everything. You're gonna see everything. This is how I edit. Okay. Don't worry, I will get to the professional level. Don't you worry about that. This should be bigger. I think I'm gonna leave it that way. And I'm gonna put this on. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna lock this one. And now webcam. It's locked, sorry. I'm gonna put it right here. Good, it's locked. Okay, now fire it up. Keep flaming. Okay, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I do. So you're gonna see I'm not a fraud or scam. I'm not selling nothing, although it's a course. Well, a course. Just teaching you a little bit of stuff. I'm not LARPing as well. Not LARPing. Okay, so I'm gonna get this. Okay, so the first thing I do is I mark everything. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, now. Yep. Wait, let me see. Sorry. So you can see the stream now. I'm here. Yeah, I can see. Well, you cannot see the screen because what I'm seeing now is the window. That's why I use the window. Because while I'm trading as well, I'm doing a website. So please, if you see me doing something else, it's because I'm not just trading. At the same time, I'm doing something else. You know what they say: a jack of all trades is a master of none. True. Or what Bruce Lee said, I guess it was. I would practice one kick 1,000 times, then 1,000 times one kick. No, 1,000 kicks 1,000 times. Okay, well, getting to work, to grind, to hustle. The first thing I do, after I show you a little bit what order flow is about, is to mark your range, your structure, people. Most of the time, you just enter into a chart. You don't know any structure. You don't know what the bias is. You say, oh yeah, it's bullish. Well, I see the PO3. I have the PO3 of the ICT, and I know it's bullish. Well, guess what? It could change price. It could reverse. So, should be careful. Now I don't have a clear direction. Okay, I don't have a clear bias. I would see this and say, okay, which one will be for me to mark the direction of the day? Because you got this candle, but it hasn't been rejected yet. It hasn't been liquidated, but you got this high that has been liquidated. So this will be the one. Yes, that's true. That's true. And go target this level. So that's what I'm gonna do. It could not even reject it. It could make an acceptance later, but those are the setup. That's a setup, man. There's a setup, you trade it, and that's it. There's no more thing. The more you force something to go in your way, the more it will be trash. So this will be my range for today. I will be aiming for a crt-l. Okay, you can also use the 2 hours if you don't feel comfortable with a 4 because you didn't set clear direction. You can just micro more every time, and then I will put my equilibrium. Okay, so it's simple. I will mark from 2. I will make a range movement because this is 00 p.m. 00 a.m. This is the DSTV. Yeah, this one. Okay, so this will be a range for today. This is the range that I use for today. 3 p.m. Now price has started a little bit, and what I'm going to wait, this is 15. Sorry. Yeah, 15. I'm gonna mark my confluences. I don't see a clear setup. I mean, look, price has reject, has accepted. That's a little bit acceptance, and then reject a little bit, and now price rejected another time to accept, and it could go down, reaching this one. But I want to see what's going on with this half level. I can clearly see an inverse fair value gap. A bearish fair value gap is going to be, a bullish fair value gap that's going to be inversed. It's a good setup. It could be a form of a good setup. And then, but the problem will be with an order block. Well, yeah. Because the order block, this one is not, because there's no bullish movement. It's a pullback. It's a small pullback. This could be one, but price, respected it already. I could maybe use this one, but it's too big. You know what? This one as well. You could choose this one. I'm gonna choose this one. Might be too big. But these are my levels, okay? The more higher you get in the time frame, the more clear is the structure we have. But the problem is if you have the entry. I mean, if you use the 4 hours to get to a point of interest, and then you enter with a 1 minute, your structure would not be complete. Because scalpers, I'm not a scalper, I'm an intraday, but scalpers get so into the lowest time frame, man. It's incredible. I mean, and I'm not gonna even talk about those who get into the 1 second, because I've seen traders trading in the 1 second. For me, that will be unnecessary. Although everyone has their own strategy, own type, and own model, and if it works, man, well, the best for you. I mean, if it works, good. So this will be everything else. I'm not gonna mark the boss or a strip liquidity. I mean, there's no need to. I will wait because I don't know what's going to happen now. You see, I don't have a clear. It's a bullish movement. We're in a bullish day. I will wait maybe for price to get here and go for a long, maybe, but I mark already a bear one. That's a problem. Well, that's a problem, but I mark already a bearish fair value gap, inverse bearish fair value gap, a bearish or a block. Because if I mark this, I will be looking for a sell. Because guess what? We have crt-h, so that's why I marked it. What price could do is go and make a pullback from here. This could be a pullback as well, or could be a change of direction. It could be another bias now. I mean, it could. Most of the times, that's what should happen. But I need more confirmation. With one just watching is not enough. So I would be needing more for it to happen, for it to be something I would trade for. Okay, it's good. The stream is. Yep. So I'm gonna wait. I could put a limit, maybe. I don't know. Limit sell here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna wait. You see, if price respects this level, and it could make a higher high, and I would target this because at the end that's been already an acceptance. But the thing is that already price, kind of liquidated this high, although there's more high, and we are in a bullish momentum. The problem is if I wait too much here, price can go in. But it's not a bad setup. This could be the setup, you know. You got this. You could go target discount, and that's target. I don't know, CRT. Candle range theory low. I mean, this is the low of the day. This is the high of the day. This is the range I'm trading in. It's what I told you before with the with the volume profile. Oh yeah, the volume profile. Yeah. The anchor one. Okay, choose this and go to this level. Boom. Oh, tell me things. Yeah. This. Oh yeah, perfect. It matched perfect. So if price gets to this level again and rejects it, I could probably go for a sell. I mean, price has been telling me it's bearish, but it could be a manipulation. It could be a pullback here. Take this out, maybe enter from this out. But it's going very up. I didn't even watch the news, dude. Okay, yeah. As you know, you could have. Oh, there's PMI at 4. No, dude. There's PMI at 4 and President Trump speaks at 7. Wow. I think I shouldn't trade today. No, the news, dude. I'm not gonna trade PMI. Most of the times, nothing would happen, but the other 50% is that I could get liquidated now. So, don't gamble news. Don't full port news. I know it sounds good, but don't do that, man. Don't do that. Okay, I'm gonna wait. There's no setup for me here. Look at this. Look at this. Accumulation, price is doing nothing. I don't think I would trade this. Yeah, I don't think so. So I'm gonna wait. That's it. I'm gonna wait. Like I said, in 5 minutes, there's bullish. There's like bullish. I'm not bullish for about a gap. Okay, I got here. I mean, look at this movement. I know a price will get all this movement because. So this volume profile will be for the day, okay, for the whole day. That's why I marked at 00 p.m. at 00 a.m. Okay. This are my confluences, my point of interest, my supply and demand. You can call whatever you want. It's the same thing. Well, not same thing. It could be a good one. Huh? Yeah. But that's the thing I'm scared of. Look at this. If price reject this and goes here, I could go for a buy, dude. I will go for a long position. I could buy from this position here, from this level. I don't know. If I could only have the order flow for gold or futures, Nasdaq, man, dominate everything from the markets. Okay, it's looking like a pullback. It's going up. Okay, it's going up. It could be a buy. I mean, this could be a buy. What do you see here? I think I'm gonna wait. Because this could be liquidate me. Your price went down, respected this level. So and there's PMI in half an hour. So let me check. Could have put a limit now. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna put a limit today because maybe price can go still up and take me out. It will be too risky. So I'm gonna wait. So it's gonna happen. This is a good movement actually. You know, it takes this. You could have taken a limit here. Yeah, you could take a limit here to make a buy. And I think that price is going up. Actually, it is. I'm gonna wait for what's going to happen to this. If price take, look, if price takes this one, and it could go above, I will make a buy. If it doesn't, this will be an acceptance, because we will be trading above crt-h. If it's not, then I'm going for a sell. If it reacts to, so I'm gonna wait. I mean, I need more confirmation. I cannot just put this one on here and hope for it to reverse to half level. You know? Oh wait, or a sell. I will be needing more confirmation than that. Which is, oh, not a bad thing. Okay. Okay, so rejected here. Okay, why? Is there an explanation to that? Why did it react to that? Wow. I could have made that. It could go up now. Huh? Go up now and take this one. Based on what I'm saying is that price is trying to change this direction. Yeah. And there's liquidity here, that's why I'm taking it here. I could put it here, but I think it'll be too much, you know. I'm gonna make it real tight on this level. Even here. 253. I'm willing to raise that. Yeah. Look at price, dude. What is this? What is this range? What is this? What is that? What is that? No, dude. No. And again, almost respected this one. There's a level here, I don't know why, but respecting it all. So I don't know if I'm going for a buy. I think that if price rejects it and it goes for a half level, I think I will go for a buy. Yeah, not for a sell. It will be, you know, acceptance again. It could be an acceptance again. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go for a buy here. I'm gonna go here. Price reject this one. Go for this level. Go for this level. I know it's we don't know. But I could go here. If price gets into this level. Because you see it here. I mean, if you went and see it this way, you can get a clear order block. And you got this one. It's clear. I know I shouldn't change, but it's more clear, this setup, than this one. So I think I would trade this perfectly. But I'm going to wait because in half an hour is going to, you know, and price can get you up. So look at this movement. Price is out in a range, it doesn't know what to do. At 4 it will be PMI, and after that I think it won't be untradeable. I will trade this, get them to this level. But what am I looking at here? What are the confluences? Why is it here? Well, I don't know. I don't know if price is gonna go. It could also go sell, and I was really right in the first moment. But you know, in trading, this is what you get. You know, I don't even need to trade a limit. I could just wait and then make the entry. That is actually another way. Okay, everything is going well. Let me check just a little bit. Let me go to Twitch now. Good. Good. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Price is getting to a level that I know. I think I will adjust that. And good. Okay. That will be it. Oh, now I'm going to now let's see how it plays. Let's get some range. I mean, look at this accumulation. Price does not know where I want to go. And it's normal because there will be news in less than 30 minutes. What most people do is they wait for a certain price, they wait for a certain momentum. Let's say there is a rally, the bearish, and most of the time the news are going to be bullish. Or the other way, when there is a bullish movement, suddenly price will go bearish in news. So people are just waiting for news to happen, so there will be no much volatility. As you can see it now, very bearish, and it's normal. So that will be it. I don't know what to do. Oh no. What could price do? Simple. I mean, yeah. And if you liquidates this one, it will be very interesting. Now it's a range. Nah, this. I don't think this I should trade today, huh? No, I don't think I should make a trade. Today is Monday, you know. You don't usually trade on Mondays nor Fridays. You trade from Tuesday to Thursday. But look at it. It's going up. It's going down. Let's say price when now I could put like the limit sell here and then boom. You know? But I don't think so. I'm gonna take it. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna do. No, price can go up here and trade. I don't know. Just there's no clear direction. There's nothing. There are no confirmation. There's nothing that's telling me. Price is respecting. That's what it's doing. Yeah, respecting this, and it could change direction, but you know, I got this crt-h. It could be apologize. It could be apologies. Sorry. Rejectance here. Maybe an acceptance later to go and take this. I think it could take this literally. Yeah. And more if there's news, but as well, it could also be a good setup if it goes here, and it would trade down to the downside. So I'm gonna wait. If it goes this way, Look at this movement. Because I'll go down. Yeah, it's going up for a reason. Does that mean PMI is going to be bearish? I don't know. Now pull back and then we'll go up. If it goes here, it will go for a long position. Wow. If I went to a limit sell, I think I will have a problem because it's going up. It's going to be bullish. I do think it's going there, yeah. The problem will be the entry. If I go into entry now, where would you put it? Well, you got this. You will have DSTV, depending on where you trade, but it will be this level, okay? DSTV aiming where you want it to go. Today's gonna be an acceptance. I just know that we've been bullish the last day, so it's very common. It's very probable that price is gonna go pushing up and reclaiming that 5K where it was at all-time high in gold, crt-h. But I don't know where we'll put. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. Maybe, yeah, maybe a pullback. Here, I don't know, price is gonna go down there, man. I think I have my doubts. But you're gonna buy now, it will be a long position now. By the same time, you need to be careful because in less than 15 minutes it's gonna be PMI, and PMI can screw everything up. You're going for a long position and then it will go down and take that stop loss out of where? Out of nowhere, you know? You have to be careful. Wow, okay. If I'm going for a limit. This level would be very interesting. I don't know what's going to happen as well. You know, it could be as well. Oh, limit sell and then boom. You go for, you know, this one. Maybe 3 years is too much. I go wait, I go wait a little bit. The level is good. It will not be a good entry here, you know, it's just too. I could enter from here. Yeah. Even get to this level. Price has been respecting everything, so I don't see why it wouldn't do it. Look at this. It'll be here. Now let's see what's going to do. Price could take it, huh? Yeah, it could. If it's going down, it means PMI might go up. Might go bang, you know. No, this is too much. I mean, I think this could be a good level. Okay, if I would take now, the entry will go spike it bang down. Or not. Okay, it wouldn't enter them. It wouldn't enter. I think it's gonna push a little bit down. Push more. Okay, yeah, I just missed the entry, man. Okay, it's okay. Or maybe not. Maybe it will go down. I think I'm gonna wait more. And I'll be here. Simple. I just missed it. It was this one, dude. It was this one. It was this one, dude. Yep. Yep. That is graceful. Well, but that's life. You just missed it. Now, don't force anything. If it goes up again. At the end, look at this. This is a range. Let's see if price is actually going to trade above. Or it's going down still. Now, if it goes down, I don't really think it's going to go up again. Because, you know, after this movement, it took all this movement. Went so quick. So again, it went up quick. It's normal. Okay. What's happening? Wait, I have some investments. Well, maybe not. Okay. And actually, I think it's the first time I'm streaming PMI. You know, PMI might be dangerous. Oh no. I don't know why I said 160, 720 p.m. 18. Oops. Okay, I don't wait now. Look at what price it went. So it was a pullback. Yeah. It could go down really bad. I think I have MongoDB. The role number for Mongo, you mean Mongo Atlas CLE? Yep. Oh, whoa, what just happened, dude? Oh, no. I just missed the trade now. Maybe I should have waited a little bit more. What do you think? Too precipitated? Maybe it could be. Okay, it's going up. Gonna wait. I mean, yeah. Could take me down. Look at this movement, dude. It's just too up, you know. So I'm gonna wait a bit. I mean, in 10 minutes it's gonna be CPI. So I don't know. Okay, it's going up. Wow, it's going down, it's going down, it's going up. I don't know. Okay, okay, I'm gonna secure profit at 1. Where is 1? Okay, I'm gonna secure profit at 3. At 3, it will be good. Because this could be just a pullback, you know. If it doesn't, and it just goes down, a pullback, and then goes up, it's usually what should happen. It's going up a little bit. I'm gonna go for 4, but maintaining position. You wanna go little by little. Okay, maybe I force it too much now. Yeah, but look at that entry, dude. Almost got edge, dude. Almost got edge. Look at this beautiful entry, man. Sniper, they call me, bruv. Sniper, they call me. Oh, let's see how it plays. I mean, if it could go up, it would go good. Go for 5 now. Careful, do not go risk too much. If I put it 5, it will be too much, I think. I think this is not a good level. It could get me out now. Yeah. But look at that. But this is a range, dude. It's just a beautiful range. I mean, yeah. Okay, if it goes 7, I could go 6. Oh, wait. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'm gonna hold it for 5. I'm gonna push a little bit here to secure a bit more profit, but you need to wait. Okay, now I got a little bit else to 6. Yep, it's going pushing 8, 9. Okay, no that much. 7 is good. Careful with everything else. Okay, I'm gonna push this later just in case. I'm gonna go with a little bit 8. Secure profit with just 11, dude. Okay, it's going. I'm going with 10. Profit a little bit, and I'm going for 20. I'm going to trail, and beautiful trade. Almost got stopped out at profit. Oh wow! How much? Okay, so done for the day. Simple, easy, quick, good entry, perfect entry. I think it would have been better, dude. Almost got edged, dude. Look how close it was. Told you. Let me see the order flow. Okay, so let's do a very quick recap. Very quick recap. If I also made a limit sell, it wouldn't be bad because it's going down. I mean, it's at a range. Now you're gonna see prices going up, and I really think if you're gonna trade now, it will go to this place. I really think it will go that place, yeah. But if not, I think that price, there was some spots in here to get that trade. Beautiful confluences. Okay, how did I spot that? I mean, I talked about you this level. I knew that price, if it went to this level, maybe get to this level, make the buy. I could sell here or buy here, and for me it was more logically to make the long position, although price is at range now. And look, it took me out, and it's going for the TP as well. And if I hold it a little bit more longer, I would have made more than what? How much I made? $10 in a couple minutes. Was it good? So good. I'm gonna post the video later. Okay, don't worry. I know you like it. I know you want it. But I'm gonna wait. Okay, 39. How much did I make? 10, 11. Could I make 13, 14, maybe, even 15 points something. But that's why most people say, oh no, but you shouldn't trail stop, because it's either you hit TP, I hit SL. I mean, yes, when you're starting, I think you should wait to get how you feel and everything. If I hold it, look, simple as that. Gonna hold it here, and that's it. So now PM, I don't know what's going to happen, if price is going to break it down or something. But hold it here, I guess. Yeah. Well, it's life. I'd rather make $1,000 and lose it when I could have made 50, then lose 2K, something. It was a bad example. But trailing stop, it's needed. I mean, when you're trading, it's not just about revenue, making money. It's also about securing profit and protecting your capital. So if you could make $5, even though you wanted to make 50, I would make $5, then lose 50. I would make $11, then lose 2. So you can see it works. It's not bottom ticking. Well, yeah, I'm more close to that with order flow. As I showed you before, that's how you can actually do that with real data, precision, dude. Look how much I almost got edge. It was perfect, but that's how you play it. Simple as that. There will be times that because my stop loss is very tight. I know it's very tight. It's not a big stop loss, but it's not for the risk reward. I mean, it is a very tight stop loss, but that's part of the game. Yeah. Okay. So how's the stream going? I'm gonna. That's good. I'm gonna. Yeah. It's delayed. So yeah, I could have hit TP 15, although I move it a little bit to that up. Could have make money, more money. That's why sometimes, yeah, you can drill stop, but if you do it aggressively, I mean, if you go in and just go moving like I did, it's good. It's not bad, but you don't have to do it every single time. I'm gonna put the stop loss here and maybe later move it here, and price will go up. So I waited perfectly. I mean, yeah. You know, most of the times before I used to trade at 3 p.m. Literally 3 p.m. After maybe I will wait 10 minutes and they will enter. But if you're gonna trade New York session now in Europe time zone, in United States, in America, I don't know, maybe you could trade. What I know is it's 2 p.m., 2.5 p.m., 2:30, where the New York Stock Exchange market opens. But for me, as I live in Europe, in time zone, it's a very different. So that's why I trade at 3. Sorry, but 4 p.m. is a good way also as well. Is when volatility comes. Look at this beautiful movement here, man. Almost 4. Okay. Okay, I'm doing as well something else, so don't mind me. Okay, good. MongoDB, yeah, I didn't have Mongo. If you see me talking or doing something, it's because I'm doing quick things. Done. Okay. Sorry. Good. Mongo database working now to go for the server. Yeah. Wait. Yep. Started. Run dev. And as well, I need to have another terminal. Well, let me check. I think I have to start MongoDB to make the website work. Yep. No MongoDB, no party. Good. What's happening in the trade? It's gonna go up. Yeah. I think it's going up as well. I want to see PMI. What's going to happen? Okay. Is it going down or up, dude? 50-50. What's doing in power market? If I have to bet, although I don't bet, it will go up. I mean, this movement down here is not gonna go down PMI, dude. Just imagine. I could have hold it maybe actually, and then put the stop loss here, and then, you know, skyrocket to the moon. Oh wait, it will. Yeah, it will. Or maybe nothing happens. I mean, it's PMI, and at 7, Trump's a speak. So when you know Trump speaks or makes a tweet, it's going up. I should have hold, yeah, because now my stop loss will be from here. I will move it a little bit here. Oh yeah. Now from here, I will move it again. It will go up, yep, and it will go here, dude. You're kidding me. Yeah, you're kidding me. Stop loss now. What would it do? Okay, stop loss. I will hold it here. If you get stop out here, it gets good, bro. It's good, bruv. You just made profit from it. It's not a big PMI, huh? No, it's not. Takes you up. It's pushing a little bit. it didn't, it will take me out. Or maybe I'll move it here. Yeah. Okay, so that was PMI. Very disappointing. I mean, I thought it would be a huge movement, but I mean, it's great. I think it's great. I could have made from this or even to here, but I guess, yeah, I'm gonna pull back and everything. That's why that's the risk that you have when you try to stop aggressively. You can try to stop, and I truly recommend it to you. If you don't, that's okay. That's perfect. I mean, every one of us has their own strategy. But again, to secure profit, I always do trail and different levels. That's why I have the DSTV as well. All the DSTV I should have put it here. You know, I don't know why. Look, if I had the DSTV here, wait, it does. It's not, well, not here. Yeah. Look at this. I should make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so I think that will be it. Done. I've shown you the flow, a little introduction. Once I have a bigger software and a bigger setup, I will tell you even more, or even later in the next few days. And I just made this trade. Later I'll post again the clip in a full video. I will post 2 videos on YouTube later. And I will see you tomorrow. I have a new day trading. And then on my account, as you know, I will post a software. If I can't finish the website, that I'm having a kind of problems now, trouble, well, then I will post it. Okay, do that with everything. Let me see Twitch. What is doing? How am I going in Twitch? Yeah. Okay, so people, now I'm seeing keep flaming, fired up. I'm out.